Today, I'm the cute. I'm the robot, and I'll flee. So, let's start.
Just wait, guys. I'm gonna survival myself. Okay, I'm survival now. Where is she? Oh my gosh. I'm so jump scared at that.
So, I'm gonna try to others.
Oh my god, that scared me. I almost had heart attack. My gosh. I'm sorry, guys. Boo. Why she's not gone yet? Oh. Paano kita hindi nakita lumipat ng pwesto? Nakita lang kita pa kaliwa. Pwede mamaya ka. Pwede naman
What?
lumayo ka ng onte sa door. Sa gitna ka lang. Para masarado ko agad yung pintuan. Oh my God! Wait lang, nagsasaling ka po. Sorry guys, kaganina.
Are you vlogging too? Huh?
Why are you running? Sige, run ka na lang. Para makita ko na may pangalan mo. Wait lang, ang dugo eh. Bigla na lang Huy, huy. Oh my gosh. Crouch siya. Kaya hindi ko alam kung saan siya. Hoy sis! Bakit? Tumakbo ka nung medyo kang malapit sa akin
Okay.
eh. Aduga na.
The power is up.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me just pick something. Where's that internet location? Now. Okay, I think the internet is done. Let's see the lights of cars. Oh no, she moved now. But before I go in there, I'm gonna... No. So go. Just go, girl. Thank you. Okay, wait. Where's that my phone? I think it's done. I didn't expect there's a robot in here. Oh my gosh.
What is that word
Why
sound?
you don't crouch?
I don't know.
Girl, ang galing niya. Tao siyang robot.
Whoa!
Okay.
Okay. Maybe I'm gonna make a party. Bye, guys.